Radhe Krishna. This is Rudraprayag, the confluence of two rivers. This one is Alaknanda, this one is Mandakini. You can see the different colors. This green one is Mandakini from Kedarnath. This coffee color, the brown color, is Alaknanda from Badrinath. Actually, she is in aqua bluish green color till she reaches Karnaprayag. From Karnaprayag, the color has been changed to this color because of Pindar river's confluence in Karnaprayag. Here you can see this Alaknanda is touching and Mandakini is touching. Both are going together to a particular point. Then the whole color has been changed to that brown color. This is a place where sage Narada did penance. He got darshan of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva has taught him the musical notes, and sage Narada enjoyed the wonderful musical knowledge of Lord Shiva. So you should come here to enjoy the bliss. So chant more to become sage Narada, to chant Lord's name continuously. Radhe Krishna.